I was sent this filter straw to do a review on. It's a survival water filter straw. It's easy to use. You can use it, take it with you if you go hiking, or in case of emergency, or it could be in some different country where the water isn't very clean. It's easy to use. Take the cap off both the ends. Cap, they're on their little snub, but that's a good thing. You don't have to worry about them getting no dirt in them. But you stick this into the water. You'll drink out of this in here. Just put your mouth up to it. Or if you have a water bag, like you collect from a river or a stream or something, you don't ever know what kind of bacteria is in the water. But you stick this, connect this to the water bag, drink out of there. It'll take out, I think, 99% of the, at least 99% of it. But it's any kind of bacteria or anything. But it's good to have. You never know when there's a natural disaster or something. Grab a few of these for your family or whatever. Send it to friends. They're good to have. Like I said, this is a survival water filter straw. Looking for one? Check this one out. Highly recommend it.